Fifth bit, find the angle between the lines. First question, 2x minus y plus 3 equals 0 and x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So here is a two equations. So the angle between these two lines is cos theta. Actually we have a two formulas, cos theta and tan theta. So I am using tan theta formula, that is mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. So tan theta equals to a1 b2 a1 2 into b2, that is here y coefficient is a b2, that is 1, minus a2, here y coefficient is minus 1, into b1 y coefficient here b1, sorry here a2 is actually x coefficient is a a2, that is 1, into b1 y coefficient, that is minus 1, divided by a1 into a2, 2 into a2 means x coefficient 1 plus b1 into b2, b1 means here y coefficient minus 1 into here y coefficient is 1. So tan theta equals to 2 into 1 2, 1 in minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So actually what is the use of this mod symbol? If you're getting the negative answer in this, you can make it as a positive. So that is the use of the mod symbol. So it is already positive. 3 by 1 is a 3. So it is 3. So tan theta equals to 3. But he asked angle. Angle means theta value. So theta equals to, 3 is not coming in the tan table. So then tan inverse 3 is the angle between the two given straight lines. Second question, x plus 2y plus 9 equals 0 and 3x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. So the required formula is tan theta equals to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2. So let's substitute the values. a1 means x coefficient in the first, that is 1, into b2 means y coefficient in the second, it is also 1. a2 means x coefficient in the second, that is 3. b1 means y coefficient in the first, that is 2, divided by a1 into a2, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. So mod symbol. So now tan theta equals to 1 into 1 1, 3 2s are 6 by 3 into 1 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 1 minus 6 is minus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 cancel, minus 1. So the mod symbol is helpful to make the positive. So minus 1 is a plus 1. So it is equals to tan theta. So tan theta equals to 1 means tan 45 degrees. So then tan cancel, theta equals to 45 degrees. So it is equals to pi by 4. Third question, x plus y plus 1 equals to 0 and x equals to 5. Generally the standard form of a line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, but the second equation is not in that form. So that is why here x minus 5 equals to 0, x plus 0 into y minus 5 equals to 0. Now it is exactly in the standard form of a line. So to find out the angle between the two lines, the formula is tan theta equals to mod. So substitute the values in this. Tan theta equals to mod a1. a1 means in the first equation x coefficient 1, b2 in the second equation y coefficient, that is 0, minus a2 in the first equation, in the second equation x coefficient 1 into b1 y coefficient in the first equation 1 divided by a1 into a2, so 1 into 1 plus b1 into b2 1 into 0. So it is equals to mod 1 into 0 0 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0. So it is minus 1 by 1. So it is equals to 1. So then tan theta equals to 1 is equals to tan 45 degrees. So tan cancel. Then theta value is 45 degrees. So that means pi by 4. Fourth question, 2x plus y plus 4 equals to 0 and y minus 3x equals to 7. In the second equation, y minus 3x equals to 7. Let's write it in the standard form of a straight line. That means first 3x, next y term, and 7 transpose to left side equals to 0. So now it is in the standard form of a straight line. So here is a one equation, here is a first equation, it is a second equation. So to find out the angle between these two lines, the formula is tan theta equals to mod. So it is equals to mod a1. A1 means x coefficient is 2. So 2 into b2, the y coefficient is 1 minus a2. So x coefficient is minus 3 into b1, y coefficient is 1 divided by a1 into a2. So tan theta equals to 2 into 1 2 plus 3 divided by minus 6 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 minus 5. So 1 mod minus 1. So it is equals to 1. But 1 can write as a tan 45 degrees. So it is equals to tan theta. So tan cancel. Theta equals to 45 degrees. It is equals to pi by 4. Fifth question, x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. So both are in the standard form of a straight line. So the formula is mod. So mod a1, so x coefficient, b2 y coefficient 5 minus a2 x coefficient, b1 y coefficient divided by a1 into a2 1 into 2 plus b1 into b2 3 into 5. So 1 into 5 5 3 2 is 6 by 1 into 2 2 3 5 is 15. So tan theta equals to 5 minus 6 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 15 is 17. So we can write 1 by 17 because we have a mod symbol, and 1 by 17 is not available in the tan trigonometry ratio table. Then theta equals to tan inverse of 1 by 17. Sixth question, 5x plus 2y plus 11 equals 0 and 5x minus 3y plus 9 equals to 0. So here is a formula. In this substitute the values. Mod a1 means x coefficient, that is 5, into b2 y coefficient minus 3 minus a2 x coefficient 5 into b1 y coefficient 2 divided by a1 into a2 x coefficients. So 5 into 5 plus b1 into b2 y coefficients 2 into minus 3. It is equals to 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 10 divided by 25. 3 2s are 6. So tan theta equals to minus 15 minus 10 minus 25 divided by 25 minus 6 is 19. So tan theta equals to, it is positive 25 by 19. 25 by 19 value is not available in the tan trigonometry ratio table. Then theta equals to tan inverse of 25 by 19. Next, sixth question is, if the acute angle between the lines 3x minus y plus 4 equals 0 and kx plus y plus 2 equals 0 is pi by 4, then what is the value of k? So here the angle between these two lines is pi by 4, then what is the k value? But actually to find out the angle between the two lines, the formula is tan theta. So tan theta equals to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus B1, B2. So tan the theta value, theta means angle between the two lines, that is pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 equals to A1 B2. A1 means x coefficient 3 into B2 means y coefficient 1 minus A2 means x coefficient k. B1 means y coefficient minus 1 divided by A1 into A2, x coefficient in both equations. So 3 into k plus B1 into B2, y coefficients minus 1 into 1. So tan pi by 4 in degrees, that is 45 degrees, 3 into 1 3 plus k divided by 3k minus 1. Next to tan 45 is exactly 1. So we can remove the mod symbol now. 3 plus k, 3k minus 1. So this 3k minus 1 transposed to left side. So 1 into 3k minus 1 equals to 3 plus k. 1 into 3k minus 1 is 3k minus 1 equals to 3 plus k. So write k terms one side and constants another side. 3k minus k is 2k, 3 plus 1 is 4 and k equals to 2 is the answer. Next to seventh question is find the perpendicular distance of the point. First one 3 comma minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 equals to 0. The suitable formula for this ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So it is equals to mod a means x coefficient, that is 3, into x1 means here 3. Next by1, so b means y coefficient minus 4 into y1, so that is minus 5. Next to plus c means constant number, that is minus 26, divided by under root a square plus b square. A means x coefficient 3 square, b means y coefficient minus 4 whole square. So it is equals to 3 3s are 9, 4 5s are 20, minus 26 divided by under root 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So it is equals to 9 plus 20 29 minus 26 divided by under root 9 plus 16 is root 25. 29 minus 26 is 3 by root 25, answer is 5 mod. So it is equals to 3 by 5 units. Second question, the point is 2 comma 4. So find the perpendicular distance of the point 2 comma 4 from the line 4x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. The suitable formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So here a means x coefficient, that is 4 into x1, that is 2. Next to b means y coefficient minus 3 into y1, that is 4, plus c means constant number minus 6 divided by under root a square plus b square. A value 4 and b value minus 3. So it is equals to 4 to the 8, minus 3 into 4 minus 12 minus 6 divided by 4 square 16, 3 square is 9. So 8 minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18 divided by root 16 plus 9 is 25. So 8 minus 18 is minus 10, root 25 is a 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are, so it is mod minus 2, mod minus 2 is 2. Third question, the point 2 comma 3 and the line is 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. So it is equals to mod a value x coefficient, that is 2 into x 1, that is 2, plus b value y coefficient 3 and y1 is it is also 3, plus c constant number 5 divided by under root a square plus b square. A value 2 square, b value 3 square. So it is equals to 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 plus 5 divided by 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So it is equals to 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 5 18 divided by under root 4 plus 9 is root 13. So answer is 18 divided by root 13. Fourth question, minus 2 comma 3 to the line x minus 7y plus 15 equals to 0. So it is equals to mod a value x coefficient 1 into x1 minus 2 plus b value y coefficient minus 7 y1 3 c constant number 15 divided by under root a square plus b square, a value 1 square and b value is minus 7 whole square. So 1 into minus 2 minus 7 into 3 minus 21 plus 15 divided by under root 1 square is 1, 7 square is 49. So minus 2 minus 21 minus 23 plus 15 divided by root 50. So it is equals to minus 23 plus 15 is minus 8 and root 50 can write as a under root 25 into 2. So it is equals to 8 divided by root 25 means 5 root 2. So 8 divided by 5 root 2 is answer. Next, fifth question, origin that is 0 comma 0 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 20 equals to 0. So here 0 comma 0 is x1 comma y1 and here is a ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then the distance formula is, here is a distance formula, a value 3 and x1 value 0 plus b value minus 4, y1 value 0 and constant number minus 20 divided by under root a square plus b square, a value 3 square, b value minus 4 whole square. So it is equals to 0 plus 0 minus 20 divided by 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So minus 20 divided by under root 25. So it is equals to 20 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5 fours are, so 4 units is the answer. Next, eighth question is, find the distance between the parallel lines. So first line 3x plus 4y minus 6 equals 0, second line is 3x plus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. We know very well the parallel lines means x coefficient and y coefficients both equal, just constants will be different. So the suitable formula for this is mod c1 minus c2 equals divided by under root a square plus b square. So mod c1 means first constant number minus 6 minus c2 means second constant number 2 divided by under root a square x coefficient and y coefficient. So it is equals to minus 8 divided by under root 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So it is equals to mod minus 8 divided by under root 25. So minus 8 divided by root 25 is a 5. So it is equals to 8 by 5. Next, second question, a problem 3x minus 4y plus 7 equals 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. So here is a suitable formula. So let's substitute the values. So mod c1 means first constant number 7 minus c2 means second constant number 5 under root a square x coefficient b square minus 4 y coefficient. So 7 minus 5 is 2 and 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square is 16. So 2 divided by under root 25. So 2 divided by root 25 is a 5. So it is equals to 2 by 5. Next, B question, 3x minus 4y plus 7 equals 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. So mod c1 7 and c2 4 divided by under root 3 square plus 4 square. So minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 4 3 divided by 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16. So 3 divided by under root 25. So 3 divided by root 25 is a 5. So it is equals to 3 by 5. Next, third question, 3x minus 4y minus 8 equals 0 and 6x minus 8y plus 5 equals to 0. So here we need a x and y coefficients must be same. Here x coefficient 3, here x coefficient is 6, y coefficient 4, y coefficient is minus 8. So that is why Let's make the equal coefficients. So first one, 3x minus 4y minus 8 equals to 0. Next second one is 6x minus 8y plus 5 equals to 0. To get the 3 and 4, here 3 and 4, I am taking the 2 common. So 3x minus 4y and 5 will become 5 by 2. Now multiply the 2 in inside with every element, you will get the previous step. So 3x minus 4y plus 5 by 2 equals to 0 by 2. So 3x minus 4y plus 5 by 2 equals to 0 by 2 is 0. So now two equations. Let's find out the distance between these two parallel lines. So the formula is mod C1 minus C2 divided by under root a square plus b square. So C1 and C2 means constant numbers. Here second constant number is 5 by 2 under root a square plus b square. A value 3 square, b value minus 4 whole square. So here I am taking the LCM, minus 16 minus 5 divided by under root 25. So it is equals to minus 16 minus 5 is minus 21 by 2 into root 25. Answer is 5. So 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. So the final answer is 21 divided by 10 is the final answer. 21 divided by 10. Next, fourth problem, 3x plus 2y minus 9 equals 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 12 equals to 0. So the distance between the parallel lines, the formula is mod C1 minus C2 divided by under root a square plus b square. So it is equals to C1 is minus 9 and C2 is 12 under root a square 3 square and 2 square. So minus 9 minus 12 is minus 21 divided by 3 square 9, 2 square is 4. So minus 21 divided by root 13. So next to 21 by root 13 is the answer. Fifth problem, 4x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0 and 4x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So the distance between the parallel lines formula is, so it is equals to mod C1 9 and C2 4 divided by under root a square plus b square. So 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. So it is equals to 5 divided by under root 25. So 5 divided by 5, so it is 1. Next to ninth question is the first problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and parallel to the line 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0. We know very well if the two lines are parallel, then their constant number is different and x and y terms are same. So then here the required line, that means parallel to 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0 is, so write the x term and y term as it is, just constant number will be different, so it is k. Let's find out the k value. But this line is passing through 3 comma minus 4. So that means substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 4. So then 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 4 plus k equals to 0. 3 3s are 9, 5 4s are 20 plus k equals to 0. 9 minus 20 is minus 11 plus k equals to 0. Then the required k value is 11. So finally the required equation is what? 3x plus 5y plus k value is how much? 11 equals to 0. This is a parallel line to the 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0. Second question is, find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals 0 and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. The required parallel line is 3x minus 4y plus k equals to 0 and it is passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. So then substitute x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 3. So 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3 plus k equals to 0. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 3 is 12 plus k equals 0. Minus 18 plus k equals to 0. So then k value is plus 18. So therefore the required line is 3x minus 4y plus k equals 0. Substitute the k value. 3x minus 4y plus k value is 18. Next 10th question is, first problem, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4 and perpendicular to the line 5x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So equation of a line perpendicular to the ax plus by plus c equals 0 is in the form bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So the given equation is 5x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0. Then the line which is perpendicular to this line will be in the form of bx, that means 3x minus ay, so 5y plus constant number k. But this equation is passing through a point 3 comma minus 4. So then substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 4. So then 3 into 3 minus 5 into minus 4, 5 into minus 4 plus k equals to 0. It is implies 3 3s are 9 minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20 plus k equals to 0. So here 9 plus 20, 29, then k equals to minus 29. So therefore the required line is 3x minus 5 plus k value minus 29 equals to 0. The second question is, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2 comma minus 5 and perpendicular to the line 7x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So the equation of a line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals 0 is in the form of bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So that means bx means here b value is a 2, a value is a 7. So 2x minus 7y and constant number k equals to 0. But it is passing through a point 2 comma minus 5. So then substitute x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 5. So 2 into x value 2 minus 7 into y value is minus 5 plus k equals to 0. So 2 2s are 4, minus 7 into minus 5 plus 35 plus k equals to 0. So 35 plus 4 39, then k equals to minus 39. So therefore the required equation is 2x minus 7y plus k equals 0 and the k value is minus 39. So this is our required equation. Third problem, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 2x plus y plus 4 equals to 0 and passing through the point 3 comma 4. So here is a perpendicular equation form bx minus ay plus 1 plus k equals to 0. So here a value is a 2 and b value is 1. So then bx means 1 into x minus ay, a means 2 into y and the constant number k equals to 0. But this line is passing through the point 3 comma 4. Then substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. So then 1 into 3 minus 2 into 4 plus k equals to 0. So 1 into 3 3, 2 into 4 is 8 plus k equals to 0. So then 3 minus 8 is minus 5 plus k equals to 0. Then k equals to plus 5. So therefore our required answer is 1 into x. 1 into x means x minus 2y plus k equals to 0. In this substitute the k value. So that is 5. So this is our required answer. Fourth question, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3 comma 4 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0. So here is a perpendicular equation from bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. Here b value 5 and a value is 3. Bx, so 5x minus 3y and constant number k equals to 0. Now substitute the x value 3 and y value 4 because it is passing through point 3 comma 4. Then 5 into 3 minus 3 into 4 plus k equals to 0. So it is implies 15 minus 12 plus k equals to 0. So it is implies 15 minus 12 3 and k value is minus 3. So therefore our required answer, what is the required answer here? 5x minus 3y plus k equals to 0. So 5x minus 3y plus k value is minus 3. So this is our required answer. Fifth question, find the equation of a line perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0 and passing through the point 1 comma minus 2. So this is a equation of a line which is perpendicular to given line. So here b value is minus 2 and a value is 1. So bx, that means minus 2 into x minus 1 into y plus constant number k equals to 0. But this line is passing through 1 comma minus 2. Then substitute x equals to 1, y equals to minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 minus 1 into minus 2 plus k equals to 0. Minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus k equals to 0. And the k value is 0 is the answer because minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So therefore the required answer is minus 2x. Substitute the k value, minus 2x minus 1 into y is minus y plus k value is 0. So minus 2x minus y equals to 0 is our required answer. Next 11th question is, find the point of intersection of the lines x minus 3y plus 6 equals 0, 2x plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. So point of intersection means solution of the both equations. So x value, y value we have to find out. So here is a suitable formula, b1c2 minus b2c1 by a1b2 minus a2b1 is a x value, comma c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1b2 minus a2b1 is a y value. So let's substitute the values. So first to b1, that is a coefficient of y, minus 3 into c2, so minus 10. Next to minus b2, b2 is 3 into c1, that is 6 divided by a1 b2, a1 is 1, b2 is 3 minus a2 2 into b1, that is minus 3, comma c1 6 into a2 2 minus c2 minus 10 into a1 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So it is equals to minus 3 into minus 10 minus 30 minus 3 6 are 18, 1 into 3 3 minus 2 into minus 3 6, 6 2s are 12 plus 10, 3 3 2s are 6. So 30 minus 18 is 12 by 6 plus 3 9, 12 plus 10 22 divided by 3 plus 6 9. Here 3 table, 3 4s are 3 3s are, so 22 by 9. So x value 4 by 3 and y value 22 by 9. Second question, 2x plus 4y equals to 6, x minus 4y equals to minus 3. First write the constant numbers left side to get the standard form of a straight line. So minus 6 equals to 0. Next to x minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. So then the point of intersection formula. So let's substitute the values. b1, so that is 4 into c2, that is 3 minus b2 minus 4 into c1 minus 6 divided by a1 2 b2 minus 4 minus a2 1 into b1 is 4 comma c1 is 3 a2 that is 1 c1 is minus 6 and a2 is 1 minus c2 3 into a1 is 2 divided by 2 into minus 4 minus 1 into 4. So 4 3s are 12, minus 4 into minus 6 is minus 20 plus 24 and already minus symbol divided by 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6 minus 3 2s are 6. 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 4. 12 minus 24 is minus 12, minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12, minus 6 minus 12 minus 12. So answer is 1 comma 1, x value 1, y value 1. Next question is 12th one. Find the equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 4 units and the angle which the normal makes with the positive direction of x-axis is 15 degrees. So here P equals to 4 units. Next angle denoting with alpha 15 degrees. So then equation of a line using normal form is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha equals to P. X into cos alpha 15 degrees, y into sin alpha value 15 degrees, P value is 4. X into cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus y into sin 15 degrees root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 equals to 4. So here the LCM is 2 root 2 is LCM. So x into root 3 plus 1 plus y into root 3 minus 1 equals to 4. So root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y and 2 root 2 transpose to RHS side. So 4 into 2 root 2. So root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y. 4 2s are 8 root 2. So this is our required answer. Next second question, 5 units and the angle is 60 degrees. So here P is a 5 units and alpha 60 degrees. So P is 5 units, alpha is 60 degrees. Here is a required equation. So x into cos alpha value 60 plus y into sin alpha, so 60 degrees, P value is 5. X into cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 plus y into sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 equals to 5. So here the LCM is 2, x into 1 is x plus root 3 into y equals to 5. Now 2 transpose to RHS side, so x plus root 3 into y 5 2s are 10. So x plus root 3 into y equals to 10. So we can transpose the constant number to LHS side to get the standard form of equation. So this is the final answer. The third question is 7 units and its slope is minus 1. Find the equation of the line. So here is a y-axis and this is a x-axis. Here is a line. The equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from the origin. So this is a perpendicular distance from the origin. It is 5 units. Sorry, it is 7 units. And its slope is minus 1. So its slope is minus 1. Find the equation of the line. See here, this perpendicular and this line both are perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. product of the two slopes equals to minus 1. So m1 into m2 is minus 1 because one line slope is given, that is minus 1. So then m1 equals to minus 1 divided by minus 1, m1 equals to 1. So the slope of this line is 1. So this slope, but we have a formula for slope, that is m equals to tan theta. So here m value given, that is 1. Tan theta, instead of theta take the alpha here, because in the formula we need alpha value. So 1 equals to tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 equals to tan alpha, tan cancel, then alpha equals to 45 degrees. Next he gave 7 p value. What is that p value? P equals to 7. So finally we got p value 7, alpha value 45 degrees. So then normal form is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha equals to p. So x into cos 45 degrees plus y into sin 45 degrees, and p value is 7. So x into cos 45 1 by root 2 plus y into sin 45, it is also 1 by root 2. So then root 2 is LCM, x into 1 x, y into 1 is y. So then x plus y equals to 7 into root 2. X plus y minus 7 root 2 equals to 0 is our required answer.